week we catch up with Alyssa Brunelli on the women's tennis team.
Hi, I'm Alyssa Brunelli. I'm from the women's tennis team. My major is physical education and I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
The biggest difference between this year and last year for you and the program?
Well, the biggest difference for me is obviously playing this season. Last year I was hurt, so I wasn't able to play all season. And for the program, we have double the amount of girls this year as we did last year, so just having the 6 extra girls is amazing. The freshmen are great, and it's just the bigger team atmosphere is a lot of fun.
Yeah, definitely. And then, so you did have a season-ending knee injury last year. So how does it feel to be back playing tennis for your last and final season as a Bulldog?
It feels really good. I mean, it was hard last year to watch, but I just had to rehab, and it was slow, or it felt like it was slow, and now I feel really good again and perfectly healthy, so it's awesome to get back out there.
And then when did you actually become healthy playing tennis again?
I would say, I mean, summer I was playing a little bit, but not really up to full strength at all. Probably like later in fall, and now I feel like kind of like it never even happened at all.
So how does the team aspect come into play when tennis can be such an individual sport?
This year I think we've seen it the most because we have such a big team, in the way that we can support each other. The girls that aren't playing at that time can support the girls that are playing, and vice versa. I mean, it's awesome to have it's more energy, it's louder, and it just kind of gets the girls that are playing more fired up, I think.
Yeah, and then you guys do have a really young team this year, and you guys have had a lot of road trips. Do you kind of see that as an opportunity for the team to bond?
Yeah, absolutely. We spend a lot of time in the car together. Unfortunately, a lot of our trips aren't overnight, which is kind of in hotels where you would bond a lot too, but this weekend we have a long one coming up to Sioux Falls, so that's like a 6-hour car ride, so we always are half sleeping and half awake and goofing around. So yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Exactly. You guys have conference matches this weekend in Sioux Falls. How have you guys kind of been prepping for that as your season starts to get a little bit harder?
We're playing some tough competition this weekend, but we have one of the matches especially is really big for us against Sioux Falls because it's going to affect if we get another conference tournament in 2 weeks or not. So we've just been kind of fine-tuning everything these last couple of weeks to really get ready for that match and hopefully win so we can make it to the conference tournament.
Okay. And then do you prefer for yourself doubles or singles?
I prefer to play doubles, but that just comes from in high school. I only played doubles. I really never played singles, so in college I kind of had to learn the whole singles game, which is totally different than doubles, so I always prefer to play doubles.
Okay. And then you are graduating next fall, so what are your plans kind of for the summer and then also after you graduate?
Summer I'm going to go home and work just at my old job that I had with kids. It's like a summer camp kind of thing because my major is physical education. So I'll be student teaching elementary and middle school in fall, and then after that I'll probably just head back to Milwaukee where I'm from and try and find a job hopefully.
Awesome.